Okay, y'all, we in action. And today is Wednesday, and today we have handoff practice, nothing major. Sometimes we do block starts, sometimes we don't. Just depending on how we feel.
It's Wednesday. It's supposed to be our off day, but you know,
We don't get no
relays, no off days, all hard work. But yeah, we finished stretch. It's everybody out here. All the sites come together, so you get to see a lot of faces, you know, from the other vlogs that we don't really speak on. But yeah, just enjoy.
Y'all, so I feel like I haven't talked to y'all in a while since that meet. But yeah, like they said, today we got handoffs. I'm third leg on the 4x1. I eat up the third leg every time. Y'all gonna see our handoffs or whatever. Show y'all
You gotta turn this way.
what we have going on. And yeah, so let's stretch and warm up or whatever. We'll get back to y'all.
Working hard.
Who do I give? I give.
He's a hurricane coach. Jelana want to be in the camera if she wants to be. She's confused.
What is this?
You weren't here on Tuesday, so it's not like you would have known.
So it would even matter.
AJ, Jalen.
So warming up in a minute. Are we gonna see them tomorrow? Yeah. Oh, just warming up. My birthday is in 9 days, so. Oh, look at me.
Enough of them.
That was a good shot though.
This is exactly what you did. Look here, Amari, you touched and paused. You seen that? You did like this, then took out. It's gotta be one motion. It's all one motion. You gotta get out like one motion. It's not hurt, but you just hurt and ran up on you like that. That don't look like full speed. Get out, go. Get the baton and run.
That's what happens when you drop the baton. It's not cool.
That's funny. He's my first person on. Still can't see it. Woo! Okay, that was 15.
Okay, so we have the kids and the boys doing our handoffs today over here. There's GJ running with Cameron and Tiff.
GJ.
You tired?
Kinda.
Go. 15, Christmas. 15.
Hello, everybody.
Trying to have hand press.
Your boy J Dog. And it's your girl Kristen. I'm 9 years old. Say hey to the vlog. What's up? It's everybody say hey to the vlog. What's up? Cameron, say hey to the vlog. It's Sean Hurricanes. If you don't watch us, say hi. Wait, stop moving. This is our news bike. That is Miss Tamika.
From 11 last night, I got off at 3 today.
Uncle Juwan, say hello.
What's going on?
So guys, it's Sean Hurricane is coming to come smoke y'all at JO, so y'all better be ready, because I'm coming for it too. So yeah. Bye. Bye. Bye-bye. My name is DJ.
Mason.
You're watching Disney.
You're not us, bro.
Thanks for watching our relay practice vlog. A little light work today. And yeah, see y'all at Nationals because we put a turn up.
Yeah, so I did some block stars. You know, they look real good. It's giving 54.
Yeah.
We'll definitely give it 54.
Talk to her nicer, don't talk to her twice.
Right.
Yeah.
So we're gonna see what happens at Nationals. Her gang or no gang?
Period. That's the way you do it. See Shiesty out. Lil Brit out. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, okay, so she wanna put the hands up.
Good as in y'all gonna run 46 seconds?
You know you love
Close
your girl.
to it.
See Shiesty.
What do you mean close
Out
to
this
it?
thing.
And let's see out this thing for real.
Over and out.